Hello everyone. This is the second tutorial for Boris FX continuun. In the first tutorial we dealt with the transition. Today, in the next two tutorials, we will deal with the particle category. Is a fantastic plugin. Today we will deal specifically with particle illusion. You will see that in a few minutes you can create interface background, grid, firework, and much more. Let's start. We make new composition. Give a name. Full HD dimensions, and the time we want, and press OK. We make a new solid. We give a name. We press make comp size, and we press OK. We went to the effects, and Boris continuun particles. You see that it has several plugins. We will analyze them in the next lessons. We went and chose the particle illusion. We go and click on Launch Particle Illusion, and immediately a new window opens. Here is the preview. Here is the whole library. Here is the space that will give us all the properties, for each file that we put. Here is the edit, where we will do the animation, and finally, here is the screen, that is what we will see. As you can see it has, and here we can zoom in. We can change it to transparency. Here is the time we have given, and the dimensions. First we go to see the library, now it is by category. If we click on this icon, it tells us in detail, in which category it is, in more folder, and what shape. And in the last icon, we can see everything. You can see how many nice things the library has. We can enlarge it a bit to see better. We can also write a certain category. We went to the View, and Browser, Control and 4. It has more than 15 categories, and over 1,000 files, ready to use. It has many, and very interesting ones. It has ready background. You can make a background for the Holy Valentine. It has particle dust, particle firework, particle fire. Do all this you want enough time. Geometric object, grid. It still has ready HUD interface, smoke. You have to see them yourself, one by one, and you will see what nice things you can make. We choose the one we like, or we write something specific. Click on it, and go to Preview, and click Play, to see what it does. If we like it we double click, and it immediately enters the timeline. You see, and here it showed us all the settings. We press play and the animation starts. This bar is where you want it to start. Let's go make some changes. We went to size, and they increased it a bit. In the number more things appear, you see? We can change the opacity. The tint strength, it changes a little, the color makes it lighter. For each item it has a separate folder. We went to Fuel. Here we can change the settings. Only for that, if we open the properties, and click on the shape image, a new window opens, where we can change the fuel, with another shape. In the first square is what we choose, and the second is the one that already exists. We can put whatever we want. It has many shapes. Or we can insert a shape. Select one, and press apply. We can change the color, and put a color we like. We can disable. Let's do a simple animation. We press the key, and we go to make some changes. We do the number 4. And we go somewhere in the middle, and we change it. You see, immediately put only 2 keyframe. We went to the beginning. And we reduce it a little. We go to the end. And we increase as much as we want. We press play to see what we did. Here below you see 2 points, we can change them manually. We go to the second point, and we raise it a bit. We press play. We press delete. We went to choose another category. Click and play. If we like, double click, and it goes directly to the timeline. Let's go to enlarge it a bit. Go to glow. And change the opacity. Open the properties from glow. Let's go put another shape. If we click on the reference point, a new window opens. If we catch the red dot and move it, you see the shape changes. We put it here approximately, and we press apply. Let's change the color. If we put a random gradient, let's change the color in the gradient. We put what we like. You see how nice you become. And if we click use key colors only, you become more intimate. We went to change the color, and to the extreme. We can also change the spin, have more turns. Lower the velocity a bit. We went to do a simple animation to make it nicer. We went to the beginning, and we activate the key, we do the velocity 2%. And we go to end. And we do it 49%. Now we can make it change color. We go to the beginning, and we do the tint 3%, and we go to the end 31%. We press play to see what we did. We can grab the second point, and go a little to the left, to change the color faster. We went to change, and zoom a little. We go to the beginning, we do it 37%. And we go to the end. And we do it 56%. If it is as we want it, we press apply, and immediately appear in the composition. We can, and from here we can change some settings. We open the particle properties, we smile a little life. We can also smile a little in the velocity. Even, and give a different move from here. Let's go to the beginning. We put a keyframe in the spin, and we go to the end, and we increase it a little. We will change a little, and the velocity. Here we are well. We now go to the composite. We can change the brightness and gamma from the composition. If we choose here alpha mode and particle only, we can change the brightness, contrast, and gamma from the background. And finally we go to transforms, and choose world. We can change the master scale. And we are ready. You have seen how easily and quickly we made this amazing background. We can click here, in Transparency Grid. Thank for watching me. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel. If you want, you can post a comment. What tutorial do you want or to make? Bye.